Hello everyone, welcome back to Maltida Crochet. This week I'm going to share with you how to crochet a lavender, and for this project I'm using a acrylic yarn. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook, and I have my stem here that I've already wrapped with a green yarn. I used a floral wire for the stem and wrapped it in a green yarn. So I'm done with that now. So for the lavender, I'm going to do a slip knot. I'm going to chain 48. And I'm going to meet you at the end of 48 chains.
Now I'm going to skip 2 and go into the third chain and start with the top of the lavender. So I did this in different colors just to let you know. I'm using this purple to just do this tutorial. So now I'm going to skip 2, as I said earlier, and then into the third chain I'm going to do 3 double crochet into the third chain, into the same chain, going back there and doing my second double crochet. We need 3 double crochets for this this stitch. Back again into the same chain, 3 double crochet. Now I have 3 double crochet, I go back into the same stitch and do a sleeve stitch, I mean into the same chain. Then now I'm going to do a chain 3. I'm going to chain 3 and 3, then back again into the same chain where I did the 3 double crochet. I go back there again and do a slip stitch, and that is the top of the lavender. Now into the next stitch I'm just going to repeat one slip stitch, then chain 6. When I chain 6, I'm going to do a slip stitch back into the same stitch. I'm going to slip stitch back into the same stitch where I did the chain 6 slip stitch. Now I'm going to go into the next stitch and start again with a slip stitch, chain 6 and slip stitch again back into the same stitch. So I'm just going to keep repeating this: slip stitch, chain 6, slip stitch back into the same stitch till I get to the end of this row.
So I'm at the end, and this is how the lavender comes out. I'm sorry I did not show you how to get down to the end when I got to the last. I'm going to show you now with this other yarn. So now I'm at the last stitch here, and I'm just going to do my slip stitch and chain 1. I mean, this is how I ended the previous one. I didn't show you with the purple, I'm just showing you with this other white one. So now I'm going to show you how I wrap this this lavender leaves around the stem. Now I've done this once, I have done for this other what's it called, this other lavender, and I have already wrapped them around the stem. Now you can use a hot glue or glue to tack it down, or a tacky glue, but I use a tacky glue for the others. But now there's other ways. So just you take the stem and just insert it right there on the top of the lavender, and you just keep twisting it. You can just keep twisting it, or you can use a tacky glue to just keep the top of the lavender secure, just to keep it secure. But yeah, I'm just twisting this lavender around the stem, and that's pretty much everything that I'm going to do. And just to keep it secure, as I said, you can use a tacky glue just to keep that, and just keep twisting it around the stem, and that's it. So once I've done this, I'm just going to just use the 2 strands left. I'm just going to tie that in, the 2 strands, and I'm just going to wrap it around the last. I'm going to wrap it around the stem there and use a glue to keep it secure. Just keep it down. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's pretty much the end for this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And this is the end of the video. This is the bouquet together. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Give my video a big thumbs up. Thank you, and see you in the next one.